Hello guys, my name is Martin and I'm one of the co-founders of Bonvo NFT. First of all, I would like to thank all of the organizers of the Polkadot Hackathon Asia 2023. On behalf of my team, it has been a real pleasure for us to be part of this Hackadot. Now, let's get started with the presentation. Let me introduce you to Bonvo Rents, a short rental app built with the sole purpose of helping people in the process of finding their dream place to stay during a study trip, vacation, etc. We use the blockchain technology to guarantee that the property booking process is trustworthy and that both parties can trust each other once the transaction is confirmed. Now, let's get into the technical details. We currently use the Moonbeam Alpha testnet parachain, and after a great mentorship meeting with Alberto, we decided to apply to this hackathon within the topic 3, which is build a connected contract app. So far, the only way to interact with our platform is within an EVM wallet, which is great. Still, since we want to maximize the Moonbeam potential, we decided to use the new feature that was just released a few weeks ago, enabling cross-chain messaging from the relay chain to a parachain. Moving forward with this presentation, I will show you a POC we did during the hackathon's code phase, where we developed this new feature that was introduced in these guidelines from the official Moonbeam team. This is the POC we developed. Here, I will be interacting with our app, the same I just showed you before, but in this case, we'll not be using the EVM wallet. We'll be using the Moonbeam's relay chain to perform this transaction. Now, I will call the extension to connect to my wallet. And here, I will be calling the relay chain. This pop-up shows that we are trying to make the transaction with the chain. Let me put the password. There you go. And as you can see here, it takes some time, but there you go, it works. So, what are our plans for the next 90 days? What I just showed you is a demo of what we implemented so far regarding the cross-chain messaging for the Bonvo rental in the last few weeks. But we have bigger plans, which include not only booking properties. For the remaining 90 days, the plan is to continue developing Bonvo further. We envision Bonvo Experience, a whole new product where you could also book events, tours, activities, and much more. The idea behind Bonvo Experience is to complement what we offer with Bonvo Rental and achieve a much richer platform. Bonvo Experience will also be implemented on top of Moonbeam, and we will be using everything we learned during this hackathon and the Bonvo Rental implementation to achieve 100% cross-chain implementation across both platforms. Continuing with the video, in the next section, Steven will be introducing you to the contracts that we would like to add during this hackathon.
We're going to create a new experience through the Bonvo platform. We set our name, symbol for the tickets collection metadata URI and main asset URI, and the price for each of the tickets. Approve our transaction. This will create a new NFT on the Bonvo Experiences collection and create a new contract for the tickets. Once this is complete, we can check what the contract is for the new experience. It's this one. It will take a while for Moonbase to catch up, and we can also look once the tickets contract is available on Moonscan, we can interact with it. I will interact first as the experience creator, so the first thing I will have to do is to open tickets for dates. I will make 100 tickets available for tomorrow. Once it's ready, I can check how many tickets are available for that date. There are 100. Now I will interact as a ticket buyer. So I'll buy tickets to my address. I'll buy 2 tickets for the same date. Once this is done, I can check the date for my tickets, which will be IDs 1 and 2. Waiting for the transaction to be finished. Okay, so both these tickets have the same date and they belong to me. Third one is not created yet. The next thing I want to do is say I arrive to the venue. I will use my ticket, so the experience owner will tell me to use it with some specific memo. So I will use this ticket ID with date and say the passphrase is ABCD. Oops. With this, my ticket will be used, and the experience creator can verify that I used the right memo by reading the contract once the transaction is finished. There you go, this is the memo, it's the right one, so they will let me in. Now, the platform, at the same time, it created a new token to represent the experience. The next step we want to do in the contracts is to allow that once you have used your ticket, so you went to the experience, you know how it is, you will be able to add badge, which is a reputational badge, soulbound tied to this NFT of the experience, so everyone can see how good or bad the experience is.
Okay, thank you, Steven. Appreciate the introduction and the overview of the contracts. We hope you like this presentation and we look forward to seeing you shortly in Seoul. Thank you for watching.